Hello YouTube, this is Alexander again, and this is a very quick video talking about this pH regulator, which is used for swimming pool to regulate the pH for the swimming pool. And this one comes from a colleague of work, and it has an issue. The issue was coming from, of course, the power supply, and because for the size and for the environment of this device, the heat was enough to destroy the little power supply which was on it, and it's not a DC power supply. This is a very simple transformer, and this one is Mira 440. Okay. This one is not very expensive, but the port and some duty for shipping are very expensive, and the owner of this device is very hurry to use it to regulate his swimming pool. So I just wanted to show how I managed to use another transformer, something like that, or exactly a transformer coming from a board like this one. And because this one is not exactly the good transformer, but it's one of which is the best to fit this device for a very quick repair. So it makes no long to repair, but it's quick, and the client will recover his device very quickly. I want just to show you how it looks like when you make a very quick repair. Here you have the new transformer, which was this one, and this one is not expensive, but the manufacturer sent it very lately, with a lot of duties and shipping, so it's not very interesting to wait for this little transformer. So this one is 6 volt transformer, and this one is 12 volt transformer. And the idea of this thing is, you have here you had some hours ago a bridge rectifier here, which was removed because there is a new bridge rectifier on this little added PCB, and this 8 voltage, because it's not 6 but 12, pass through a first regulator. This regulator is about 12 volt DC, and before to attack the PCB, the DC PCB with this capacitor and those regulator. This one is maybe the 5 volt, and this one the 3.3 volts. And of course, those regulator was working with the main transformer directly through the bridge rectifier, because they was able to work with this little transformer. But this one is more strong and little more powerful, and of course if you connect it directly to the bridge rectifier, you will make suffering a lot of those little regulator. So this is not the good idea. The idea was just to create a new power supply to permit of a 12 volt, to permit to those regulator for working from a lower voltage, to make them not suffering a lot. So it was just the issue about this little devices, and I just showing you how you can repair something with crap and very quickly, despite the long time to purchase something, and the cost of the shipping. Just I found $50 just for shipping something like a $3 transformer like that, and honestly, the client wants this device immediately, so you have to manage to repair it very quickly. So the pump doesn't work for the moment because there is no probe connected on the back. This is the probe for the pH, and of course, if it shows lower or higher, it will regulate with injecting um, another kind of pH to regulate. As you can see now, it's regulating a little bit. So okay, it was the idea to fix something very quickly and to not charge the customer with a high price because shipping. It was Alexander again. See you soon.